Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 10 juice recipes for healthy and glowing skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and it requires proper nourishment to stay healthy and radiant. Drinking fresh juices is an excellent way to provide our skin with the nutrients it needs. So, without further ado, let's jump into our 10 juice recipes. Carrot and beetroot juice. Our first juice recipe is a simple yet powerful blend of carrot and beetroot juice. Both vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A and promotes healthy skin. To make this juice, blend 2 carrots and 1 beetroot with some water and strain the pulp. You can also add a squeeze of lemon to enhance its taste. Pineapple and cucumber juice. Pineapple and cucumber are excellent sources of vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and improves skin elasticity. To make this juice, blend 1 cup of pineapple chunks and 1 cucumber with some water and strain the pulp. You can also add a few mint leaves for added freshness. Spinach and apple juice. Spinach is a superfood that is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin A, C, and E. Apples, on the other hand, contain quercetin, a flavonoid that protects the skin from UV damage. To make this juice, blend 2 cups of spinach, 1 apple, and some water and strain the pulp. Watermelon and strawberry juice. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from sun damage. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and also contain ellagic acid, which reduces skin inflammation. To make this juice, blend 2 cups of watermelon chunks and 1 cup of strawberries with some water and strain the pulp. Kale and orange juice. Kale is another superfood that is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. Oranges are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and improves skin texture. To make this juice, blend 2 cups of kale, 2 oranges, and some water and strain the pulp. Mango and papaya juice. Mango and papaya are tropical fruits that are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as enzymes that promote skin cell renewal. To make this juice, blend 1 cup of mango chunks, 1 cup of papaya chunks, and some water and strain the pulp. Blueberry and pomegranate juice. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect the skin from oxidative stress and inflammation. Pomegranates are also a potent source of antioxidants and contain ellagic acid, which reduces skin inflammation. To make this juice, blend 1 cup of blueberries, 1 pomegranate, and some water and strain the pulp. Tomato and basil juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which protects the skin from UV damage and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Basil is a herb that contains eugenol, a compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. To make this juice, blend 2 tomatoes, a handful of basil leaves, and some water and strain the pulp. Aloe vera and lemon juice. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that contains polysaccharides and antioxidants that promote skin healing and hydration. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which brightens the skin and reduces hyperpigmentation. To make this juice, scoop out the gel from 1 aloe vera leaf, add the juice of 1 lemon, and some water, and blend until smooth. Ginger and turmeric juice. Ginger and turmeric are spices that contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help to reduce skin inflammation and improve skin health. To make this juice, grate a thumb-sized piece of ginger and turmeric, add some water, and blend until smooth. You can also add a pinch of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric. So there you have it, our 10 juice recipes for healthy and glowing skin. Drinking these juices regularly can help to provide your skin with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and radiant. Remember, to get the most out of these juices, use fresh and organic ingredients, and consume them immediately after blending. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.